The next activity that we're going to take a look at is how to complete one of the observation activities. So once you log into the Moodle, click on Engaging Students under your courses. And there's two ways that you can access this assignment. The first way is by going into your your grades, which is under Settings and under Course Administration. You can click on your grades. And then if you scroll down, you can click on the observation activity that you want to complete, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom that says keep going further. Whoops. Scroll all the way down where it says Connecting to Students, and you're going to choose one of the observation activities. Observation Activity A requires you to observe a peer in the classroom. Observation Activity B requires you to watch a video and then reflect on what you observed in the video. I will let you know that Observation Activity A is a little bit more time consuming than Observation Activity B, so we'll complete B today. So go ahead and click on Observation Activity B and then scroll down. The first thing you'll notice is that you're being presented with 3 video options. You're going to choose one of these. So you're going to choose one of these, you're going to click on it, open the video, and watch it. So that's the first piece to this. You're going to watch one of these 3 videos right here. Any 3 are fine. Once you've watched the video, you're going to scroll down further, and you're going to click on the Microsoft Word doc download link. I usually hit save and then hit open. Okay, so now this is the form that you're going to complete. We're going to click on this yellow button here that says enable editing so that we can type into this form. Once you have watched the video, you are going to begin completing the form. So the first thing you're going to do is where it says observer, you're going to delete this line. So highlight it, delete it, and you'll type in your name next to observer. The next one that says peer observee or video observed, you're going to list the name of the video that you watched. So let's just go back. If you watched this video that was Ms. Balut's high school classroom, you'll type in Ms. Balut's, let's spell it correctly, okay. The beginning observation time is going to be the time that you started watching the video. And remember, I know everyone's working on this work outside of their contracted school day, so maybe you started it shortly after school. And then the approximate time that the video would have ended. These can be approximations. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to look at these 6 rating options, and you're going to score the video based on what you saw. So if you thought that this video was a 3, you would go ahead and you would type in, I thought this video was a 3 because, and then list the reason why. 1 sentence is fine here. Once you've typed in a sentence about the score that you would give the video and a quick why, you'll scroll down. If you had any notes while you were watching the video, maybe you're kind of jotting down some notes so you to remember key points, they can go here. Nothing's necessarily required there. Now we'll keep scrolling down. The next section you need to complete for this is the personal reflection on page 2, and this is basically asking you to reflect on the video. So you're going to type about what you saw, what was happening in the video, and the big thing they want you to address is any recommendations that you would make in order to improve what was happening and get them a higher engagement score. So again, you want to make sure you're answering the question, what changes would you recommend to your peer colleague or to the teacher in the video to elevate the level of student engagement in the classroom? So here you're just going to recommend what the teacher in the video could have done better. So we will delete all these lines. and we can begin typing. And actually, I'll tell you the really cool thing now. This second reflection, the observee, you don't have to do. So if you want to just go and delete all this right now, you can. So there's only going to end up being 2 pages, and we'll take a look at that in just 1 second. So now you're going to begin your typing your reflection on the video, what you observed, what you thought, and any recommendations that you would make. Alright, so once you have gone and typed up your observation and any suggestions that you might make to change this, you're going to go to File, Save As, and make sure that you save this somewhere to your computer where you can retrieve it later, to your shared drive or to your documents. Once you've saved it, we're going to submit it, so you'll go back to your Moodle, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you're going to click on Add Submission, this button at the bottom. When you click on the Add Submission button, you'll kind of go to a screen that looks exactly like the last one. So you'll scroll all the way back down to the bottom of it, and you'll click here where it says Add. You'll click on Add. If you're not there, you'll want to be on Upload a File over here. Click on Browse to look for wherever you saved your file. So wherever you saved it, you'll go there to get it. And find your peer observation form that you did. And then once it's there, you'll click the button here in the middle, Upload this file. So click that. Okay, you're going to click Save Changes. You are not done yet though, so make sure you keep paying attention. Once you click Save Changes, scroll back down to the bottom and hit Submit Assignment. This will not be graded. See here it says Draft, not submitted. This will not be graded until you hit Submit Assignment. Are you sure you want to submit your work? Continue. And if you get this crazy funny screen, don't worry. Refresh this tab. You can right click and hit refresh, or you can hit this button here to refresh the tab. So just retry, hit refresh, and when you hit refresh, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should notice it says submitted for grading. Once it says submitted for grading, you're done. So good luck.